Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Mark Vincent and Espia, and I'm from the province of Bataan. To the future local leaders, I have promises that I wish to be fulfilled for our community. First, I want the leaders to promise to strengthen the healthcare system in our province. This is important because health is the foundation of a productive community. With modern facilities and medical services, we can improve the quality of life for every Bataeño. Second, continue to promote education. The promise to promote education is crucial. I want to ensure that our schools and teachers have sufficient support to prepare our youth for the future. Education is the key to uplifting our community. The support I'm referring to is providing scholarship to students who want to study. This is a crucial way to support the education of young people. There are benefits to providing scholarship to students including increased educational opportunities, reduced educational expenses, development of talents and skills among young people, and last, creation of future leaders. Local leaders can help young people like us by providing such support. And third, I desire a commitment to environmental protection. Bataan is rich in natural resources and it's crucial to protect them for future generations. Through proper management and cooperation, we can preserve the beauty and natural wealth of our province. This includes implementing programs for recycling, conservation, and proper waste management. Fourth, promise of job creation. It's essential to promise to create job opportunities and support small business to improve the livelihood of residents. And the last is promise of transparency and unity. It's crucial to promise to have transparent and honest governance and promote unity and cooperation in the community. And conclusion. In conclusion, I urge our leaders to prioritize these key promises to build a better future for our province, strengthening healthcare, promoting education, protecting the environment, creating jobs, and ensuring transparent governance. By fulfilling these promises, we can improve the lives of Bataeños and create a brighter future for our community. And thank you.